Maraming magagandang budget phones recently. Pero ang tanong, which one should you buy? Let's find out! What's up guys? It's your tech tuber. Kamusta naman kayo? Before we start, just a special shoutout to Brother because they are sponsoring a portion of this video. Meron silang special treat for you guys, so stay tuned. And, alright, today we're gonna be taking awesome out of several boxes! Woohoo! Pag-uusapan kasi natin yung top picks namin for budget phones under 8,000 pesos ngayong simula ng 2021. Our first contender, Poco M3. Di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? O ito'y lilisan na, Poco? Kaya pasensya ka na. Meron siyang 6.53-inch IPS display with full HD Plus resolution. Processor naman ay Snapdragon 662 with 4 GB of RAM at 64 to 128 GB of internal storage. For the cameras, 48 megapixels ang main camera at 8 megapixels ang selfie cam. Battery naman ay 6,000 mAh with 18 watts USB-C fast charging. Android 10 rin siya with MIUI 12. But wait, there's more. Binabaan pa nila ang presyo by 1,000 pesos. So you can get the 64GB variant at 5,990 pesos and for the 128 gigs naman, 6,990 pesos. Wait lang guys, Grogu told me na he felt daw a disturbance in the Unbox force. What? He's trying to tell me something, guys. Tito Jeyms now is trying to reach us? What? For a special surprise? Right! Alrighty, take it away, Tito Jeyms.
Pikachu?
Hey guys, Tito Jeyms here. As we're all trying to stay safe at home, we know that you need the right gear at your side, which is why for all our printing needs, Brother sent us this. This is the DCP T420W printer, and you can win one for yourself and your family too. Priced at 7,650 pesos, the T420W is a 3-in-1 that allows you to print, scan, and copy for all your work needs or for your kids' classes. Like most modern printers out in the market right now, you can print documents wirelessly so the entire household can easily share it. Plus, it's plug and play, so it's extremely easy to set up as well. You're also saving a ton of money on ink with this since you can print up to 7,500 black and white documents or up to 5,000 in color. Plus, it's extremely easy to top up since it uses refillable tanks instead of cartridges. And just to do a bit of quick math, this bottle right here is less than 400 pesos, which means one page is 5 centavos. To learn more about the Brother DCP T420W printer, check out their website, which is linked down below, and here's how you can win one for yourself. Number 1, sub to this channel and follow us on our social media accounts. Number 2, follow Brother on their social media accounts. Everything will be linked down below. Leave a comment with your Instagram handle and how you would use the T420W in your own home. And lastly, share this video with the hashtag #UnboxWithBrother. And remember, the post has to be public so we can see it. All the mechanics will be listed down below. Best of luck. Now back to Ber and Grogu.
Thanks for that, Tito Jeyms. Alright, now back to our list. Next contender is of course the Lenovo K12 Note. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Lenovo, can't hold it back anymore. Talagang na-challenge ang Poco M3 natin dahil halos same ang features nila. Meron din siyang 6.53-inch IPS display but capped at HD Plus ang resolution. Processor naman ay Snapdragon 662 rin with 4 GB of RAM at 128 GB of internal storage. 48 megapixels rin ang main cam at 8 megapixels ang selfie cam. Ang battery naman ay medyo mas maliit at 5,000 mAh. At Android 10 siya. But wait, syempre may catch. Bumawi ang Lenovo sa video features dahil meron siyang EIS, aka Video Stabilizer, at medyo mas mabilis ang charging at 20 watts USB-C fast charging. And all that for 6,995 pesos. Nice one, Lenovo! So far, super tough na ang competition, but we are just getting started. Up next is the Nokia 3.4. And ito yung bias ko sa list kasi I did the unboxing for this. I love it when you call me Nokia. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya. Alam natin na medyo struggle for HMD Global ang price segment na to, but lumevel up ang Nokia 3.4. Meron siyang smaller display at 6.39 inches, but arguably mas matibay ang build niya. IPS display rin siya na capped at HD+. Medyo not so powerful naman ang Snapdragon 460 niya compared sa ibang mga nasa listahan natin. But same lang din with the others ang 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, which is expandable. Lower rin ang megapixel ng main cam at 13 megapixels. But bumawi siya with an ultra-wide angle cam na 5 megapixels. Ang selfie cam naman ay 8 megapixels. Battery is 4,000 mAh with 10 watts USB-C charging. I admit, lower rin compared sa iba, but bumawi siya sa pagiging Android One certified, which guarantees at least 2 major Android updates. And yeah, bumaba rin ang price niya recently. From 7,990 pesos, naging 6,990 pesos na lang. Okay, we are halfway through our list. And may napupusuan na ba kayo? For me naman kasi, more than the numbers, it's really yung mga phones na that really speaks to you, yung tipong napapatibok yung puso nyo. Sana may sense. But it's the same with shopping or like pag-ibig. Naks! But yeah, let's see what else is on our list. Number 4 on our list, in no particular order, is Cherry Mobile's Aqua Infinity. We'll cherry on, and though you're... Meron siyang 6.52-inch IPS display capped at HD+. Ang processor niya ay mas luma pero capable pa rin, MediaTek Helio P60. And so far, pinaka-heavyweight champ siya at 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Main cam is same with Nokia at 13 megapixels, selfie cam at 8 megapixels. But yung night mode niya is actually decent. Battery naman ay removable which works for some people with 4,000 mAh and 10 watts USB-C charging. At Android 10 rin siya. So far sa list, siya ang pinakamahal at 7,999 pesos, but di rin nalalayo ang price sa iba. Plus points rin sa phone because #LoveLocal. Next, Realme Narzo 20. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies, this Realme. Oh! Meron din siyang 6.53-inch IPS display capped at HD+. Ang processor naman ay powerful, MediaTek Helio G85, plus 4 gigs of RAM at 64 gigs of internal storage. Main cam is same with Poco and Lenovo at 48 megapixels, but with an even better ultra-wide angle cam at 8 megapixels. Selfie cam naman ay 8 megapixels din. Battery is 6,000 mAh with 18 watts USB-C fast charging. At Android 10 siya with Realme OS 1.0. Super tough competitor ang Realme Narzo 20, and all that for 7,990 pesos. Okay, we are down to our last contender, and it's none other than Xiaomi Redmi 90. Got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited, Xiaomi, to finally drive up to your house. Meron din siyang 6.53-inch IPS display with full HD+ resolution. Sila lang ni Poco ang full sa list natin. Ang processor naman ay Snapdragon 662 din with 4 gigs of RAM at 64 to 128 gigs of internal storage. For the cameras, similar rin with 48 megapixel main cam and 8 megapixel selfie cam. But mas angat siya sa iba ng konti because 8 megapixels din ang ultra-wide angle cam niya. For the battery, 6,000 mAh din with 18 watts USB-C fast charging. And Android 10 siya with MIUI 12. For the price, 6,990 pesos para sa 64 gig model at 7,990 pesos naman for the 128 gig model. Another solid contender, right? For a more in-depth review of each of these, you can check out our website, unbox.ph. Kayo, what do you think? Sino ang hashtag bias nyo sa list namin? Well, for me, I think wala naman talagang right or wrong answer dito. And wala naman talagang phone na super perfect. Meron lang yung super perfect for you personally. So I think it depends on your taste and your priorities. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm also really glad na ang daming magagandang phones na pasok sa budget. Super competitive talaga ng market, which is great for us consumers. And that's it for today. Maraming salamat for staying all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon para ma-notify kayo kung meron kaming mga bagong videos. We'd also like to invite you to visit our website, unbox.ph, our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Lazada. And don't forget to tell your friends rin to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #sub2unbox. Because if we hit 250,000 subscribers, we're gonna be giving away a phone. Yes! Once again, this has been your TechTuber, signing off. Take care always, guys, and God bless you all. Saranghae!